Understanding Down the Pipe, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very interesting phrase, down the pipe. This expression might sound a bit unusual, but it's quite commonly used in everyday English. So, let's dive into it and see how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, down the pipe, typically refers to something that is expected to happen in the near future. It often implies that the event or situation is on its way and almost certain to occur. This expression is quite versatile and can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to more formal discussions. To understand how down the pipe is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In business, we have a major project coming down the pipe next quarter. This implies that a significant project is expected soon. 2. In daily life, there's a big storm down the pipe, so let's prepare our emergency kits. Here, it indicates an impending storm. 3. In technology, there are exciting updates down the pipe for our software. This suggests that new updates are planned for release in the future. There are several expressions similar to down the pipe that you might hear. In the pipeline, this also means something is being planned or is underway. On the horizon indicates something is likely to happen soon. Around the corner, used to describe an event that is imminent. And that's a wrap on down the pipe. Remember, this phrase is a handy way to talk about future events or situations that are expected to happen. We hope you found this explanation helpful and can now use down the pipe confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit our videos for more tips on English language learning. See you in the next one.